Good morning, guys. It's a Tuesday morning here. Seth's back from vacation. He enjoyed it, and we're not on vacation. We're working right now. We got this neighborhood we're in. We're doing like 7 driveways in this neighborhood, and we've ripped them all up. We're grading them out. We're laying 1 layer of asphalt in all of them, 2.5 inches, and we're tearing it up. We got asphalt coming back. We're gonna lay these 2 out, load the asphalt material back in the truck, and have a good day while we do it. Should be an easy day. All the jobs are in this neighborhood. Let's tear it up. We're literally paving 2 next door neighbors right now, side by side, so that's even more of a plus. We've also seal coated a couple jobs in this neighborhood already yesterday with our new Seal Right machine. We just got a lot of money spent on that machine, $24,000. It's pulling up right now. We're tearing it up. This is how you do it. We're enjoying it. As you can see, I wasn't here, but the guys laid this job to perfect precision. They done everything you needed to do on this job. They took their time on it. They laid it out. It took around 15 ton of asphalt, laid in there around 2.5 inches, made it nice and thick. Now we got Angie rolling it. I might hop on and kick him off of it. I went and ran and I got some Belgian blocks. We got to do a Belgian blocks border in one of the areas. That's what I did, and that's really it. We're tearing it up. Let's do this. All right, guys, as you can see, we paved the neighbor over there. We rolled, completed. The homeowner's very happy. That took a lot of asphalt. I said 15. It was actually 18 ton of blacktop. Now we're on this next project here, the next door neighbor. We milled this. We key cutted it, ripped a lot of it out. There was already a layer, like 3 layers on top of this. We popped it out. Then up against the garage, there's a drain that fell apart. We took our excavator, we dug it up, we dug the drain out, and we replaced the drain. And then over here, come on down. We did a Belgian block border on that side. Look, pan over to it. Come on. We dug it out. We set the Belgian blocks in there, poured some stuff in there, and now it's all set and perfect, ready for blacktop. Then we done this drain here. The drain fell apart up against the garage. That collapsed, and now we raised that up, and now we're waiting for blacktop. We got another truckload coming back, and then we got a job up the street that they're digging out right now, and we're tearing it up. We're tearing this neighborhood up. Blacktop's here, baby. It's red hot asphalt straight from the quarry, and everything is going really, really good. Look how happy everyone is. I got the GoPro mounted on my head. We're back, baby. We're tearing it up. We're lighting it up. We're doing everything. Let's go. Make it nice and thick. Thick. Need a break? Pendejo. Yeah. Nini don't know. Leave bueno. We're tearing it up. We just laid the second job. They're going right now to prep another job. They got the third job prep and ready to roll. Now we're sending them guys to go get that job prep. And we're just prepping. It's a prep fest. And then we got blacktop coming back. We're laying loads. We're laying asphalt. We're laying hot mix. We're doing it all. We're tearing it up.